Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to all the fans of Eplan, welcome to every Friday with Eplan tip. Magic begins to raise a standard. Today's topic is little interesting. So I was thinking that can we have a display of level? Because when you go for a double decker or multi-level terminal, you will have that level 1, 2, 3. Is it possible? Can I display it? Yeah, definitely if it is showing level in the terminal so that we can display, but my idea of showing that is not just like that. So I want it to show that L1 wherever first level, if it is L2 wherever L3, like that. Is it possible to show it? So however you get 1, 2, 3, but how to add this L or this prefix, how do we add that part? Okay. And another interesting part is every time I don't want to go manually do all these things. Is it possible? Can I put in a global so that automatically it should be reflecting in for all of them? So is that possible? And on top of it, I'm interested that if it is a level 0, I don't want to see it. Means if it is a terminal where it shows there is no levels, for that it should not come. So is that possible? So having level, when there is a level, level should show. When level is not there, then that should not show. So I feel it's difficult and sometimes you may feel impossible, but I love to say that whenever such things arises, I would say that guy who pitches in is it's none other block property. So we will try to explore that. Is it possible? Can we achieve this with help of a block property? So when you think things are impossible, please remember block property can yield you the result. So I would love to say that when block property will step into the action. Okay. What are the things you should know? So I would say that one, terminal, and you should also understand what is that level. Second, you should know what is that block property format and block property. I think in earlier video also I would have shown. And then how to put that in the project level so that I can directly use it in my Eplan. So without delay, what I do, I'll just switch to Eplan. So this is where I was just talking about. So when you take any particular terminal here, so I was talking about this level. So when I say this level 1, then that should display me that, okay, L1. So how does that I can do it? Okay, that is what I want you to explore. So what we do it is first we'll do it here so that later we'll put it in the project. So for that, as I said earlier, always you should, so block property 1 is always available. So what I do, when you want to set your rules or anything, remember that you have to give it that in block property format. Display, yes, this will work there. So right now what I do, I'll take this block property format 1. So here I will browse. So yes, it is taking time. Yes. So finally I got it. So now what I do it is I will drill down and I'll take this operator. So here I'll use the character called L. So I'll use that L character. So I'm using it. Then I need the level. So obviously what I have to do, I have to just jump into function. And in the function, you can see as I open a terminal, automatically you have a terminal or a plug. So here definitely I'll be able to get that information there. So once I double click, so when I select, no need to select, I'm able to see it here. There is a level option. So when I select it, see that you will be automatically able to get that level 0. So when I click it, when I say click OK, if I want to display, yeah, it is already displaying. See, you will be getting as a level 0. So as I change that to level 1, now you see that automatically it will display level 1. But my point was, this is okay. This you are getting it. Now I'm left with two things. One, how to show that for all those things globally. So that definitely we can do it. So let me just show you that if I copy this particular formula over there, okay. If I go to project properties and I'll just switch to user defined so that I don't want to see many other things. So I'll go to project properties. In that case, you can see that we have something called property terminal. Here we can utilize that. So if I drill down, I can take the one and I can paste my formula, what I have, means rules, what I have set. I click outside. Sometimes if you are inside, sometimes it will not apply. So better you click here and then you come back. Then you see that see automatically it shows at level 0. See? Wow. So as you change it. But as the one which I was talking about. When there is a level 0, I don't want to see it. Only when there is a level 1, then only I want to see it. So is there a way to do that? So what is that we have to do? We have to go back again and see that what is that we can do so that we don't want to see it. So if I double click, so is that I can use a replacement text, say that, okay, if it is a 0, don't appear anything. Okay. But you will have that preceding character. So if it is a 0 or something like that, we can plan. Okay, let me just check quickly. So if I say that regular expressions, if I have 0, I don't want something, because from this you can yield only 0 part. And also, yeah, you don't have any control on the preceding, or those things are not shown here. So when I see it, see, you're not getting anything as such. So that L will come. So I think this will not help me. So that using local table or anything will not work. So we can go with don't use, but maybe these options might help me. So if I say hide property, if the property doesn't have a value 0, no, my property has a hide property value. What is that? You will be saying hide property if my property has a value 0. Okay. So if there is a 0, I want that to hide. So I'm just clicking this, including preceding separator. Means I don't want L also to come. You remember, level number is coming here, but the alphabet is coming from here. So including preceding separator. So this is what you are going to do it right now. So if you can just see that, if I am getting a 0, so in this case, if I get 0, I am saying that please hide. So this option I am using it. And also I am saying with respect to including separator, means I don't want L also to come. So that also will suffice. So these two things we are trying to take care with help of these options. As I click OK, now if I say click OK, yeah, but because this is the old formula is running in this, but let me just change to 0. Let's see that will it show me or not. No, not 2. I want, sorry, this is increasing. Okay, let me put 0. I'll say click OK. Yes, now you see that you are not seeing that level there. So now all that what I have to do it is, I have to just go there. I have to copy this, whatever setting I have done. I go back to properties and I'll replace with the new one. So as I replace that, now if I say back, now you see that you are not seeing 0. So if I change, for example, this terminal to 1, you see that when level becomes 1, then automatically it projects me level 1. If I say that level 2, then you see that automatically it projects me level 3, sorry, level 2. Similarly, if I, but this is not ideally a right example for terminals, but I'm saying if you take any other also, as you increase the level, automatically it will reflect. So this is what I want to tell you. So with help of a terminal, yes, we can achieve this particular one, level 1 or level 2, level 3, these can be, display can be able to possible to create. So how we were able to create it? With help of a block property. So what exactly we did, if we can just recall, so we had went inside this. So where we went first, we took a separator so that we got a L, and we went pitching into the terminal where we have a level. So once we got a level, in that if you double click, you are able to find that, okay, the property has a following value 0, and I said including preceding separator. So if it is a 0, it was not coming in this fashion. So this is how you are able to create that particular level there. Okay. So hope you got a fair understanding. So let me just check to show you that if I have any level terminals there. So let me just browse. Okay, I'll change the database so that I can just run quickly. Eplan parts, Eplan parts, Eplan. So I should have tried earlier. So let me just jump. So I'll go to component. I will just jump to terminals. And if I select any terminal here, Phoenix terminal. So double level terminal, if you see it. So here when I go to terminal, see, you can see the level there. So this is what I was trying to say. can I get to have the level there. So level 1, level 2. So these informations we can achieve with help of that. And generally what I found is that will also have a connection designation. Either it will be mentioned A, B, so or A, D, B, C, something like that. You will have the word, so where the connection point generally will be there. So if you have a terminal in this fashion, so you will have all those connections will be shown in that fashion. So whereas that level, so either these both will be your level 1 and these both will be your level 2, and each of them can have, might be there is a name, it will have A and then you will have B, and here you could have C, and here you could have D. So normally connection related details you will be getting in this place. Okay, but in this I am not able to find, but generally we'll have the whole terminal will have a terminal designation as. So if you consider that in that case, the whole terminal will have a terminal designation is 1. So this will be continuous. So if you have multiple terminals, multiple. So in that line, so you will be seeing on the right side, you will also see the level part also will be available in the same fashion. So hope you got a fair understanding on that. That's where I was trying to get that information. So hope you have it. So I don't think I should have taken some other terminal, so you would have got it. I don't think I have terminal with that information. Yeah, like for example, if you see there is 8 connection, it says ABCD. Okay. Similarly, for double terminal also, you will see that it will have that connection details will be available. So like terminals, when you take a normal terminal itself, you have these details like AB, right? Similarly, it will also will be available for double terminal. Okay, double terminal or whichever multi-level terminal when you take it, so it will have all those informations will be available. So you can see that here. So you can see something like that. You will be having it. So this is a different terminal, but you will be having it in that fashion. Okay. So hope you got a fair understanding. So this is one another example what I was trying to say. You can play with the block property. So like that you have lot many things we can explore it. So when you have a double terminal, when you pull it, if it is level 1, so as you saw that automatically when you want to have this to be shown, yes, it is possible with help of block property we can achieve this. You would have saw it. Okay, you would have saw that the way we can able to achieve this part. So before I could say goodbye, I love to say that please like to load more contents, please comment to get quality output, please share to reach maximum users. Don't forget, my name is Vishnuvardhan Reddy. Jai Hind. Have a nice day.